is on to Ava Rice cooking that rice. That's right, it is D Life, your favorite skipper on board the PDL Express. We're back. The countdown is on. I am clenching my hands. I'm rubbing them. I got collected bonus of 8.5 tokens overall. I'm still learning this platform. I don't know if that has anything to do with me. I will find out. But what I do know is that the day ends in 3, 2, 1, 0. That's right. The first day auction is over for the 10th of June. And now we are definitely about to look at how many tokens that we earned. We earned 11.2. So in that video, I think we go back to the PDL Express and let's check out yesterday's video. And let's see, after we did after we did put up that B&B, we were projected to make about, I think I was overreacting. First of all, crew members and passengers, I thought it was 1,000 ABC tokens, but I was wrong. Totally wrong. Totally wrong. Again, that's when you're not used to a project, you haven't done all your DYOR, and you don't know how the UI or how the DApp 100% really works. Sometimes you can make mistakes. That's right. I admit it. I made a mistake. I thought it was 1,309 ABC, but it was ABC per B&B. I was just so excited once I clicked that enter button, and I was like, yeah, all right, I'm in. Let's go. Let's do this. Yeah. Boom. I'm in the lobby. I'm in the auction. I got 1,308 ABC tokens, but it was 1,308 per B&B you could get by entering one B&B, and at the end of the auction, you don't know how many ABC you'll get. But the day that I entered was the biggest stake so far in these past 6-7 days, and I didn't get this 15 like they said you'll receive 1.5, but I didn't get 1.5. I got 11.2, and so right now let's just do a quick update on the lobby. We have collected our 11.5. That's right. That day yesterday was 3,131 B&B. We're gonna say we're gonna call it giveaway. And yesterday, which is today, but just ended, 2,638. So yesterday was a great day, but we only got 11 ABC tokens. So tomorrow, possibly, we're gonna see how this weekend goes. Definitely get back into the lobby, and I'm gonna run again and see if we could get some more ABC tokens, and just excited to see how this is gonna turn out. And yeah, getting here for as little much B&B every time, or even a big bag possibly if I could afford it. If something crazy might happen, I might get a huge referral bonus and of one of those wonderful projects that are giving good rewards, aka MDV 2.0. Yeah. All right, okay, that was that guy. What were you thinking? Where did he come from? Anywho, so you can enter now. 23 hours. The next day ends. 2.659 B&B entered quickly. That person wants to get in like instantly. That's what I call early bird getting in the worm. It's only been just a few minutes and they already put in 2.659, or maybe it was a few. Let's see, because you can look right over here and see. So here we go. One B&B 25 seconds ago. Then we had 0.5913. And here's another B&B, one more B&B entered by someone. So definitely people are putting in their B&B. They're giving it away. That's what we're going to call it. Just gave it away. I just gave away my B&B. And looking forward now to the updates for the lending, the buying and the selling as they come out. This is going to be a weekly or even daily updates here with this new platform, this new project alert. A lot of new projects that are in the engine room that want to pump out. It's just having the time. I'm making sure that you know like this content. Please leave a comment. Please leave a like. Make sure subscribe if you are new to the channel. Jump on board the voyage with D Life on the PDL Express. Searching for that passive income opportunities and making sure we hopefully turn those pennies into dollars, dollars into hundreds, and hundreds into thousands. The old PDL Express mantra. And how could I forget? I'm so sorry. I am so sorry. We do not want to lose our supporter from day one, from February, from when we started this channel, the Positive D Life Express. Thank you so much. Shout out to today's video sponsor with a whopping 10 BNB for this video. Soon we'll be having some video sponsors on here. Once we can get to that 1,000 subscribers and above, I can't do it without you. I really appreciate your support. Make sure, please, show the PDL Express that support by let's getting to 100 subscribers. I'm not even saying 40 and 50 and 60 anymore. Let's get to 100 subscribers. That's what I need. That's what I need right now. And then next week, we could even go higher than 100. But for now, let's just get 100. How's that sound? D-Life here. Great. So stay tuned for episode 3 of Cooking Some Rice. That's what we're gonna call this. Cooking Rice with Ava Rice. It's gonna be like Minor Fridays. We're gonna be jumping in here constantly every week, updating, possibly entering the auctions, putting in that BNB so we could see if this one might take us to the right and up. This is D-Life. Make sure to stay safe. Only put what you can afford to lose into any of these projects. And also, click a like and leave a comment. The YouTube algorithm loves that. I am over and out with my quick cooking rice update. Be safe. D-Life over.